Good morning, children. Welcome to the class. So, children, let's discuss the next question. What is video conferencing? Where it is used? Video conferencing is one of the most existing features of internet. Two people from different places can talk as if they are sitting face to face by using video conferencing. So, student, you are knowing how to do the video conferencing and how you people are talking with the help of this video conferencing, sitting in setting from different place and can talk face to face by using the video conferencing. And where it is used in large scale companies, TV show, while doing chatting also. If you want to do, then do the video conferencing. Video conferencing is widely used in large scale companies, TV show, and while doing chatting. It provides face to face conversation with different people who are sitting at different location. Now, long question answers. Sorry. Write the steps to buy a product online. To do online shopping, follow the given steps. Open any e-commerce website, for example, www.com, and fill the required details to sign in. If you don't have an account, create it. It means first of all, you have to go to any website, e-commerce website, means online shopping where you are doing there. And then here one example we had taken amazon.com, www.amazon.com, and fill the required details to sign in. Means first of all, uh, it it will show one form, and that form you have to fill, means for sign in. And if you means if you don't have the account, then create it means that time it will display one form, and then you have to make one your user id, and then afterwards sign in with the password. Then step 2, enter the product name in a search box and click the search box. A list appears displaying all the available products, and then what you want to uh, what you want to do the shopping online, that product you have to write in the search box, and then uh, according to your product name which you are searching for online shopping, that product and the images will display on the screen. Then double click on the product double click on the product you are interested in and view the details of the product. If some product if you want to buy and you are interested, then double click on that, then the detail of that product will be displayed. Then step 4, click the add to cart button. You see the product in your cart, means if you are interested in that product, then click on add to cart. That product will be moved to the uh, moved move to your cart. Then step 5, click the proceed to checkout button. A form appear. If you proceed to check on click on that proceed to checkout button, the form appears there. Step 6, enter shipping address and click the continue button. Then the form asks your detail, means your name, your contact number, your addresses with pin code number. And then step 7, choose your shipping option and click the continue button. Means choose your shipping option means um, you have to click your addresses and then continue the button. And then step 8, select the payment option and enter your card details. It means sometimes it asks cash on delivery, and sometimes direct payment. If it asks, then you have to pay as per the condition which is given for payment. Then long answer question number 2, what do you mean by e-commerce? Write some advantages of e-commerce. Electronic commerce or e-commerce means buying and selling any product online using the internet technologies. Many companies have set up their websites which provide the facility to order and purchase their products and services. These websites, which provide e commerce, are especially designed and have some extra features. It means that for e commerce, you are knowing so many websites you are using for online shopping. That means it knows that how to buy and sell the product using the internet technologies. Then, advantages of e commerce: you do not need to go to showroom or shop to buy products. Even small companies can go global. You can save time and money. Means first one is advantages. You do not need to go showroom, means shop to shop, you don't know, do not you not need to go to shop to show your to buy your products. Search in the website only, you will be getting your product. Then small, even small companies can go global, means is very small companies also having the website and having the facility for online shopping also. You can save money, the time, money and efforts while doing the online shopping. You will be in your home and sitting in your home and on saving time there, even money also and efforts also for buying the online product. So next class we'll discuss the next chapter. Thank you.